Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to model this gate. I am also going to model this and I am also going to little bit animate it. So let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So here is our gate model in Maya. This is our gate model in Maya. So see, I have little bit animated also. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more modeling videos like this and also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. Bye guys.